Hi, AP Physics students. How about a few hints regarding T12.1? And if you look at this one regarding optics, you'll see that this is not a difficult question. It just takes some meticulous care. You'll want to draw a scale drawing. They require a scale drawing of the reflection in the image you see when something is reflected off of a convex mirror. So my suggestion, and I won't say much about this and then you can get going, is to look at page 528 and kind of duplicate the technique they use. And so let me just give you a quick hint about this. Now understand, you need to be drawing this with ruler and carefully drawing it. And so I'm going to be not very careful as I just give you the hints. So if you look at the convex mirror that you have, draw an axis of symmetry. And so you get to define a center of curvature and just call that C. And halfway to the mirror, you define the focal point. And you can draw various different rays of light, but I suggest a couple of rays of light. So you find your object and they tell you where the object needs to be, and so you find your object and draw a couple of rays of light. So usually I make this some kind of an arrow and draw a couple of rays of light. First of all, one that goes exactly parallel to the axis of symmetry. So the rule is if it goes parallel to the axis of symmetry, it will reflect back it will reflect back off this way as if coming from the focal point. So what I do with my ruler then is I would extend from the focal point to where this hits, and then it goes off like that, and that's very nice. Okay, now you need to follow one more beam of light, and here's the other one I suggest. If you look at this, because this is a part of a sphere, and really a circle in this case, draw a line that goes straight from the top of this and goes through the center, because they would pass through one another. And so you go straight like this. And when you discover this, the place where these two meet, even though the light doesn't really go there, is the image. And so that's what you'll draw to scale, and it'll be very enjoyable to finish up that question.